Discipline. Discipline, the word that we often use to make other people feel like they're not good enough because they lack the discipline, and or we use it against ourselves and say, I just don't have the discipline. And so let me help you out real quick. First of all, the idea that discipline is hard is a lie. Discipline is easy. What do you mean, Marquise? Discipline is easy. Here's what I need you to know about discipline. There's a couple of things you've got wrong if you find discipline hard. Number one, what is it? Discipline is nothing more than the repetitive pattern of doing something over and over again till it becomes a habit. Whether you like it or not has nothing to do with it, but consistency. So you may say, well, Marquise, but that's just the point. It's hard. Well, stay with me for just a moment. What's your native tongue? Mine is English. No, I didn't learn it in school. I learned English at home by simply practicing and speaking every single day. That's it. That's why it's easy. But then someone will turn around and say that's why speaking German is hard. No, it's just a matter of the consistent practice. So your mindset has to shift. The second thing when it comes to discipline that you must understand is that you must have a vision. What do you mean? Well, anything's difficult when you've got to do something that's uncomfortable, new, or repetitive without having a reward in mind. Many of us are living our life wanting to do new things, but we haven't really truly formulated the thing that we actually want, because otherwise we would easily apply the discipline, because the focus isn't on the work, the focus is on the outcome. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to get a life. Find something that really enthralls you, that fills your heart with passion, and you will discover that discipline is easy.